In order to download videos for offline viewing on YouTube in the mobile app, you can use any mobile device, iPhone, iPad, Android, it doesn't matter. First things first, you have to have a YouTube Premium account. So make sure that you are logged into the account that has access to the premium features. And then once you do that, go to the YouTube mobile app, navigate over to the video that you want to download. So let's say we want to download this video here. You'll see all of the options below that video where you can tap and hold and swipe left or right to see all the different options. If you swipe over to the left just a bit, you'll see an option that says download with a down arrow. Go ahead and tap that option there. It'll say downloading, and then once it's complete, it will say downloaded. Now, you can do this for any video. Let's say we're scrolling the feed and we're like, oh, we want to download this video. You can tap the three vertical dots to the right of the title of that video, bring up the options, and then just tap on download video. It will automatically download the video and will download in the background. Now, in order to locate these downloaded videos, go back to the option here where you can see all of the options on the bottom, the home, the shorts, the subscriptions, and the U button there. If we tap into U, that will go to your account information here. And then what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down to where you see something that says downloads. Go ahead and tap into downloads. And here you go. You'll find all of those videos that you've downloaded, and you will not need an internet connection to watch these, hence obviously being able to watch them offline. When you are ready, you can tap the three dots here to the right of those and go to delete from downloads, and that will remove it from your downloads list. If you're here on the downloads page, you can tap on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner to navigate to settings. What you can see, it will bring you to the background and downloads section. A couple of things you can change here. You can turn smart downloads off. I would always leave that off. Recommended downloads, it just basically recommends some people you're subscribed to when you're on that download page. I like to keep that off. The next one is important, download quality. If we tap on download quality here, we can download them all the way from 144p, the lowest resolution, all the way up to 1080p, the highest full resolution, or you can go to ask each time. Now, you see the option that says download over Wi-Fi only, meaning that if you're using a phone, you will not be downloading videos utilizing your cellular data if you are capped or limited on that. And if you ever want to delete all of your downloads at once, tap on delete downloads. It says delete all downloaded videos and playlist, tap delete, and you now have removed and deleted all of those downloads on your account. I will have a frequently asked question pinned comment down below in the comment section. If you have any questions about doing this, I hope this helped. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.